Hi, welcome to the Cabile YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, I will be teaching you on how to delete app limits and screen time on iPhone X. But first, kindly subscribe to this channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And let's start. Using your iPhone X from your home screen, first go to Settings. Then in the settings, scroll down and click the screen time. Then in the screen time, find the app limits, then click. And after that, in the app limits, click the applications that you were added on the list. Then click. Then after you open the applications that you were added, click the delete limit. Then a pop-up will appear, then click again. And your app limits in screen time is now removed. And that's it. We have successfully deleted app limits in screen time on iPhone X. If you have a question, can you comment down below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And thank you for watching.